Good morning, students. Today we will be getting a short concept on chapter number 3, that is consumers equilibrium. That is, first topic is utility analysis. Now, first for consumer. Now we will be going with consumer. What do you mean by consumer? Then what do you mean by utility? What are the measurement of utility? What are the two types of utility, that is cardinal utility or ordinal utility? Then we will be going for total utility and marginal utility. Going with the first topic today, that is consumer. Now, who is a consumer? Now, consumer can be said as an economic agent who uses goods and services in order to directly satisfy his or her wants. Here I have given an example of watch. So, suppose X is a seller and Y is a person. So, Y is going to the seller in order to purchase the product, that is watch. Once he consumes and gets satisfied with the product he has purchased is known as consumer. Similar example, that is you, that is stationery. You are a student, you are purchasing stationery from that seller. So what you are doing, you are basically consuming, you are satisfying, okay, the pen works very great, the pencil is really smooth, the scale has proper lines, it is unbreakable, whether it is steel or plastic. It also depends. So who are you? You are a consumer. Why? Because you are an economic agent who uses goods and services. What are you doing? You're directly satisfying your wants. It can be watch, it can be stationery, and you can give more examples to it. Now talking about utility. Now what do you mean by utility? Now utility is a satisfaction derived from consumption of a commodity. Like suppose you consume Lay's. So Lay's is a chips. You consume kurkure, or there are various types of chips, yes or no? So what are you doing? You're satisfying your want from that consumption of this commodity. That is what your utility is. That is what you're utilizing the product. Next is pen, whether you are using Flair, gel pen, ballpoint pen, red pen, blue pen, Cynosoft pen. Once you start writing it, it gives you a good flow as well as speed. So what are you doing? You're satisfied with the product after you have consumed that product. That is what utility says. Third is basically the trending one, that is earpods. Like you love to hear good music. So if one earpod is not working, or if it is working in a proper manner, it has a very good brand. So that means you're satisfied. That means your utility is satisfied. That is what utility says, that it is a satisfaction which is derived from consumption of a commodity. Now when I talk about measurement of utility. Now measurement of utility is of two types, cardinal utility, ordinal utility. Now cardinal is suggest of numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on. I have given here the example. Suppose you are writing notes and you will be counting the number of pages you have utilized. Here is around 3 or 10. So 10 pages you have written the note. So what are you doing? You're saying that it is a cardinal utility. Now when I talk about ordinal utility is basically, it is not for calculating numbers. It is based on ranked accordingly higher row. Like suppose rank of a student. That is ordinal utility. Now two very important concepts. The first one I will be talking about is total utility. Now total utility is consumption of all units of a commodity, like A plus B is equal to C. Here I have taken the example of cake. So calorie of cake is, I guess this is a hypothetical example. So it is 235 calories. So how come 235 calories? So we are adding what? 20 for some sugar, 30 for butter and so on. So we are calculating the ingredients and baking, plus we are including those calories in one calorie, that is 235. That is what total utility is, that we are consuming this in an all units of a commodity. This is the graph where I have shown that on x-axis it is consumption of a commodity and on y-axis it is total utility. This is a rough diagram, so don't worry, we will be solving sums accordingly. So total utility, with increase in consumption of a commodity, the total utility increases. It is in increasing manner. That is what total utility is. Now proceeding towards marginal utility. Now marginal utility is what? It is the additional utility on account of consumption of an additional unit of a commodity. So what will happen? This is a graph of marginal utility. Similar x-axis I have drawn here consumption of a commodity and marginal utility. Here, as we consume more of a commodity, the marginal utility starts to decline and it can be negative. Don't worry, we will study in the next video that how they are related. Total utility and marginal utility, we will be studying the relations. Thank you for today. If you have any doubt, do let me know.